So just finished spraying up the bulkhead. I might rub it back down and give it one more coat if I think it needs it. I think it's going to have a pretty good sheen on it. I think that's about 4 or 5 coats it's had. So, yeah, just letting it dry the inside. And that was all done, Raptor coated. This is all Raptor coated, but a nice fine Raptor coat. I didn't. So high pressure with a vary nozzle gun, and yeah, pretty pleased with that. So synthetic enamel from Paint Man, obviously marine blue. So really pleased with that. Very, very pleased. Yeah. So we'll let that flash off, and then I'll check it in 20 minutes and 15 minutes or so. If I think it needs another one, I will, but it looks like it's pretty much there, because if I do decide to rub it down, then yeah, it's not going to be a major issue. But bearing in mind, of course, that it had new footwells, 2 new footwells. I had to cut this extra piece out because I'm changing it from a single line to a dual line with servo assist, 11-inch on the front. All of this was new. All of this was new. I cut all that in. This was replaced. This whole leg was new. The 2 ends either side, that one over there, they were all new. And you can't see it obviously, but the inside, there were sections that were replaced in there as well. So it's pretty much had a good full rebuild. It's been fully seam sealed all the way through. Never makes it look pretty, but yeah, it's all been seam sealed. I'd seam sealed everything. I didn't want no issues, which is also the reason why I decided to Raptor coat this, because I wanted to seal it all in. Obviously, you know, it was primed and treated and everything else underneath first. But yeah, that's a really great Raptor sort of cover. I'll tell you what I also did. I'm not sure if I showed you, but I also repaired the dash. There it is. These are the I Raptor coated all of those. They're the unders. So this was all damaged around here. It also had extra holes here and here, and so I treated all of that, filled them all in, rubbed it all down, and then I just Raptor coated. Obviously I've not too much about the back because you're never going to see the back, although having said that, I might just give that a quick blast of something just to bring it all into one colour. But yeah, really pleased with that as well. Once again, that's for some reason it sort of turned out it's just slightly heavier on this than what it did on the footwells, but and the rest of the bulkhead, but I'm still pleased anyway, very pleased. And as you can see, I've done it in marine blue, and that's because we're having a grey dash with all the accents in grey. The wheels are grey, the roof's going to be grey, and so with a grey dash, and that's sitting in the middle there. Nice. So that's it, that's where we're at. So I just thought we'd give you that quick update, and we'll go from there. So that's it, Friday. Probably get some done over the weekend, but it looks like it's going to rain any time now. Ooh, it looks miserable up there. So, okay, so until the next time, Don't forget, like, subscribe, always comment. I'm always interested in the comments, what people have got to say. If you think it's a nice job, if you think it's a crap job. You know, Paintman Paint, I just really like the Paintman Paint. It's just so easy. It goes on so well. So pleased with it. So yeah, all good. Until the next one.